Welcome. In front of me is a LEDGER Nano S, and today I'll show you how to install the Dogecoin wallet to the device. So to get started, you will need to download their application. If you want to use this with Windows or a computer, that can be Windows, Mac, or Linux, it doesn't really matter. You can, and additionally you can also use your phone. And now for the phone side, you will need a little bit of a gimmick like this right here, USB-C to USB-A, at least that's what I'm using. So I can actually plug it in. So anyway, whichever one you're using, if you're using Windows, go to their website, which was provided right here. I think it was something like ledger.com/start, but I just kind of trying to say it from memory, so I don't know if it's correct. But on Android or iOS, you can simply open up the store and find it by typing in Ledger. As you can see, Ledger live right here. Open it up, and let me quickly back out. So normally you should be in something like this. So from here, obviously you want to select your Ledger, and in here you will see all the different crypto wallets that you can install. Obviously I already have a couple of them installed, Bitcoin and Ethereum, so let's find the one that I'm looking for. Doge, there we go, there is Doge. So click on install. Now this one is a fairly quick one, it's only 2 kilobytes, so it should be fairly quick. And there we go, it's already on here. Now obviously once you install the wallet onto the Ledger, the device itself will give you a pop-up that you also need to add an account. That is because you just installed the wallet to the device. The wallet has no wallet address to it, so you don't actually have anywhere to store the like crypto to. It knows what kind of crypto you want, but it doesn't have anywhere to store it yet. So you just kind of select add account, and then you basically create a wallet address and sync it up with the device. But I'm not going to be going over this right now, so I'm just going to close it off. So anyway, this is how you would install Dogecoin wallet onto the Ledger, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.